Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Nokia C1 charging problem. It happens when you change the screen, or also it sometimes it happen like because of water damage. So we will just check it whether if it's charging or not. Then after I will show you that how to fix the charging problem. Okay, then let's have a look by putting the charger on it. So we need to wait for a moment because Nokia C1 it takes time to show up the charging, like the charging logo. Okay, we can see that the phone it's not charging. The phone is not charging at all, so we have to fix that. I also checked by like putting a new charging board, but it was not charging also. So we will just gonna bypass because the charging line is missing from this flexi to that flexi. It doesn't supply the charging voltage, because when you change the screen, so like sometime it has some problem on the screen, so we just put the glue after we can't remove it, so we have to fix it by other way. Okay, so we will just put the charging point now and let's see where we can find like 5 voltage. So we'll set the mode DC 20 volt on our multimeter, then check for 5 volt on the charging board. Leave the charging point, we don't have to jump on charging point. Just check the components. Okay, let's get started. We see here no voltage, there also no voltage. Here we can find 5 voltage. Let's see if other side you see also here we can find 5 volt. So we will just connect the wire here, right here on this side, and another one we will just put on that one next to the connector, like top left one next to the connector. So we will jump here to that one, V bus, it calls V bus, like charging positive line. Okay, let's just finish our job. We took some wire, magic wire or jumper wire, or some people they call it copper wire. So here we jumper this line, and on the other side we need to put some soldering on the beavers line where we will jump the second line. It's not a big deal, so we don't need to be stressed. It's just a small, very small job. There we go, we are done putting the jumper here. So let's see if it's charging. So we need to put the battery here. We already did. After we plug the charger on, and we will see it's charging. Nokia C1 it takes time to show up the logo when it's charging, so we have to wait a moment. Here we go, it's charging now. So it's not a big deal actually, it's just a small job. Alright, so let us just put the wire nicely. You see the wire, hey, it's broken, but anyway, we will just take off the sticker off and put the wire underneath, that customer can't see what we have done, because people they will talk if you put the wire on top. So we will just put something underneath and we put the wire on the top and we cover it with the sticker, then nobody will see what's going on inside. That is how we will fix that. And let me take off the wire, then I will put it myself. Thank you so